bafethu yabona wena namhlanje. Le wena namhlanje iphana ama-option guys. Is either bayakutotosa or ushayela impahla le uyazi ngikhuluma ngani. Yabo? But ke mawune option egrand zokala egroundini. Nawe uyazi ngitila ngama-star player kuphela bafethu ngiphethe istar la nje yami. Can you please introduce yourself kuma viewers wethu ngegama lamampela nangesibongo utshela labantu bethu uthi uBromava.
Igama lami uThabang Sibongo Kamvakali abantu vele bangazi nguThithini ngihlala eHlobadini.
Okay nje mthithi Thabang ezukena ukuthi angeke udlala ibhola ungabonanga ndawo so lento yebhola icale kanjani kuwe and yini like into ekumotivate ukuthi uqhubeke and ubani player okhule ubukela phansi kwalo
into engenza ngadlala idisc ukuthi ekasi wale waziya ngabo bebangiselect abajita laba ngathi badala kimi bathi ngize ngizodlala nabo soloko bahoti so ibhola bengalibukeli okay makuva isikhathi ngakena bo Messi Neymar nami ngadlala ke amara going forward vele ngiyaziyela.
Sure. Okay nje as a soccer player you know sometimes mase ground yini khona abantu abazokriticize kube khona ipressure so when as a player how do you prepare yourself for ama games and how do you handle the pressure?
Ngapaya ngilaleli inkulumo ezangaphandle sikhulele phansi kwazo vele so hayi sengijwayele ukuthi abantu bano wrong bano right wenze kahle wenze wrong kuyafana so nje hayi ngiyazikhuthaza vele nasejardini mara bangifaka umoya.
Sure. Okay so let's say kuzintwana encane ifuna advice kuwe njengeGrootman kuyo kule position oyidlalayo ungayitshela iadvice uthini kuyo ukuthi ukwazi ukumaintain le position oyidlalayo?
Ukujima mentally fit again into ezirong ungazenzi phambi kwabantu noma uzenza mara zama ukuzichafa and bafaka umoya banga give up. Sure.
So cause ngizwile bathi uyi-vice captain as a vice captain yini role yakho kuma teammate wakho nase groundini?
Kapaya uguide ngiyabagayida abajita ngilimitha ukuraselana then mangikhona nasefieldini ngizabajita ukuthi bayalo futhi bayalo so ngigive ama rules ngiyabagayida kuphela.
As you can nje you can't play football ngeke team oyifavor pro side so enjoy pro side esikhuluma ngasemzansi and abroad ufavor mapha ama club?
Premier League ngivane Man City ngapha PSL Sundowns ngale Spain Barcelona. Barcelona.
So as you can nje khona ama highly rated midfielder when it comes masikhuluma ngama power shot sizocala la eMzansi between uTebogo Mokoena no Talent Mbatha ubani uNtswembu ngesigubhu makathumele epalini?
Rembul Dibs.
Okay between uFede Valverde no Soboslai?
Valverde. Ngize Valverde.
So okay nje kulama midfielder I3 ngizomentiona you know inkinga ngihlezi ngenza ngabantu abayi1 yabo but namhlanje ngizozama ukuyichintsha kancane between ama midfielder I3 ngizomentiona start 1 bench 1 and sell Arthur Gule Fermin Lopez and Ryan Chekri.
Yes. To keep Fermin njengoba kungiyipa fan eshinzoya ngayo chintsha yena replace nga1 maybe.
Okay ubani ostatayo?
Ngicela nguFemini ngoba iPark.
Bese ubencha?
Angibhentsha uAragula leyo check star baba.
Uyamthengisayo? Check.
Ngimthengisi. Ngibhentsha yena.
Bese uthengisa uAragula. Okay, let's say uthengisa uAragula about 5 million. Le 5 million ayi eklabhini iza kuwe. Yini ongayenza ngayo ukusiza icommunity?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi okay very fine ngaprovide kulama team engwabona ikasi ukuthi maybe awekho grand financially then maybe nama home because yabo ngiyabona ama situation wakhona lapha ehome then maybe ngigive it to ama home nalaba maybe ngathi mandlini they are not financial stable yabo maybe ngasiza bona
amana ukudlana namantombazana ulahlanga into grand yadlala so any advice for intwana ezincane kasi
ukuthi ziphakamise ikhanda zinga give up wonke ama talks abazwayo abangamamili just nje umuntu azazi ukuthi ufunani ufuna ukuyaphi igcine nalandela iphupho lakhe kuphela
manje yaba for isikhathi sakho ne hopefully uzoyithatha ifinal my brother
sesiphiwe
aish senziyo